Hi, it's Joe with Riverbend Signworks from Davenport, Iowa. Today we are going to be doing a wall wrap in our lobby. It is some black vinyl that says Design, Create, Execute, and we are going to be using a 3M adhesion test kit to see what vinyl fits our wall best. Let's get started. Let's go over what's included in your 3M adhesion test kit. Inside our 3M adhesion test kit, we have instructions, a ruler, a scale, a rivet brush, a hole punch, scissors, and some rolls of vinyl. The colors on the vinyl refers to the different applications at the top of the 3M adhesion test kit. For our application, we're looking at removable with heat. Each roll is labeled with a different color that refers to this chart up top. Every chart has a different adhesion type, with ultra removable, removable with heat, and not removable / permanent. We're looking for something that's going to be removable with time, but not peel paint, but also not peel on its own. All right, first step is we're gonna prep our surface. I'm gonna take some 70% isopropyl alcohol and water mix, spray it onto a cloth, and wipe the surface I want to test. A little bit of color on the rag is normal. Next, we're going to prep our material. We're going to take our ruler and our scissors and cut each roll into 8-inch strips. I've already done that, and I have 3 materials prepped. I have the orange, the black, and then the 3M 2080. Once your material is in strips, you are going to peel back about 2 inches of material and fold it in half. With this, take your hole punch, punch it right in the center of that square. Your piece is now prepped. As you can see, I already have 2 of these strips. I'm going to take the third, peel the backer, and make a vertical strip, like so. Press it down with the squeegee. Now we're going to take our rivet brush and in circular motion, work that material onto the wall. And I'm going to do this for all 3 materials. Once you have applied your vinyl and waited the recommended 15 minutes, we are going to begin the test. We'll start with our orange test. Take our scale and put the hook through that punched hole. We're going to grab the silver ring at the bottom, and we're going to pull down at a rate of about 1 inch per 5 seconds, or half an inch for 2.5 seconds. It's a little easier to track. While performing the test, we're looking at the numbers on the scale. Right now it's reading at about 400 grams. Let's test the rest of the material. Now that we have the ratings from the scale on the following material, we can go ahead and reference back to the minimum acceptance adhesion. This is measured in grams, and the materials that we tested were black, orange, and the 3M2080. For the following tests, we received 400 grams on the orange material. The adhesion is set to be removable with heat, and the minimum acceptance was 600 grams. Our wall does not qualify for removable with heat for the orange material. I'm guessing it would act more like a ultra removable / changeable material if we tried to install with the orange material. Our black test was even worse, testing at about 100 grams, with the minimum acceptance adhesion being 500. The 3M2080 tested right about 600 grams, which when looking here, 600 grams is just about perfect for removable with heat and under the not removable permanent adhesion. Looks like the 3M2080 is going to be a perfect choice for our wall wrap.